Welcome to the Station Bakery and happy Halloween! Let me show you how I make these cute pink ghost Cakesicle Rice Krispie treats. I start off by melting down my white chocolate. The specific kind I use will be linked in the description below. I add drops of white chocolate into the Cakesicle mold randomly. You can have more or less ghosts by adding more or less dots of chocolate. Using a cookie scribe, I am moving the chocolate around, making sure there are no air bubbles or holes in the chocolate, and then I'm taking my scribe and dragging out a bit of that chocolate to create the ghostly tails. You can also pull out a bit of chocolate to create little arms as well. As always, let your creativity fly. I'm going to set that aside and let the chocolate firm up. While the chocolate is setting, I melt down some white chocolate with melting crystals to thin out my chocolate. Using candy coloring, I am going to turn it pink, just like this. Now I have a nice flowy consistency for my chocolate, and this is going to make it easy to pour and move around inside of the mold. I bring back the mold with the chilled white chocolate ghosts, and I pour the pink chocolate into the mold over it. It's important that the chocolate has cooled before pouring because hot chocolate can melt and smear the white chocolate. I shake the mold to evenly distribute the pink chocolate throughout the mold. Then I let it set up in the freezer. Once the chocolate is set, I add a slightly melted Rice Krispie into the mold, insert my Cakesicle stick, and cover with another layer of pink chocolate. Then I place it into the freezer to chill. Once chilled, I successfully remove the chocolate-covered Rice Krispie Cakesicle from the mold by pulling away the sides and pressing up on the bottom of the mold. And this is what it looks like. Thumbs up if you like it so far. Now I am using some edible paint to outline my ghosts to make them pop out and boo you a little more. You'll be able to find this edible paint linked in the description below as well. I add my final touches to bring these ghosts back to life. If you want more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and watch these videos next. See you next time. Peace.